Check out these layouts I put together for my social media management app. They look clean. They took me just a little bit of effort and few minutes. You can build stuff like that as well using AI at this time. In this video, I will show you how to do just that using this tool called UX Pilot, and I will walk you through a step-to-step tutorial how to start your own app or project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any upcoming AI tutorials. So the link of UX Pilot in the description box. You can read the UX Pilot review to have a more observation about it, or just click to go directly to the tool page. Click on Start for free. Select Google, or you can sign up with SSO, or you can just type in your full name, email address, and password directly. I will choose my Google account now for saved progress. Now you select your role: designer, founder, product manager, UX researcher, marketer, developer, or any other role. How did you hear about their platforms? Click on YouTube or any other source. The plans, we're gonna have a look at them at the end of the video. Click continue for free for now. This is your UX pilot dashboard. Now click on new file. Now you can name your page name. Let's go with social media management app. Here you can put a context or not. I'm gonna keep it empty for now. Click on create. Here is where you will craft your app layout. Got it? You can see you have the chat option or the studio option. Click on studio. You have two modes on the design specs: hi-fi, which is high fidelity, and wireframe. So wireframe, in short, is the structure, the base structure of your layouts, and hi-fi is more of color, font, and design. So now we're gonna work with wireframe. Select mobile, and you can either create a flow, which means multiple pages, or single screen. For the description, we're gonna need to go to ChatGPT. I already made a prompt for ChatGPT. I will be using UX Pilot to create a social media management app. I need a context describing design, style, core features, home, dashboard, UX notes. All right, ChatGPT is giving us the prompt for, or the context for our first layout on UX Pilot. What you're gonna do is copy this prompt and put it on a Google document so you can edit and update details based on your own projects. After you finish, you copy the context and you paste it on the UX Pilot box. Make sure it's fully copied. You have the two options: deep design and max mode. Deep design and max mode will cost you more credits, of course, so be careful with your usage. Now we're gonna go with the basic one. As you can see, you can't generate using create flow because it's locked. You need to subscribe to their plans, so you have to use the single screen as a free user. It's gonna cost you 6 credits from the 45 credits they gave you. Click on generate. It will take a few minutes, maximum of 5 minutes. Here's your first page. You can extend it, change the size. Click on preview for more details. As you can see, it's well designed, Pretty much everything we asked for is here. Go back now, click on generate. Now you can transfer to hi-fi. As you can see, they already gave you a prompt for a hi-fi generation. Click on generate and pay attention, it's gonna cost you 6 credits. You wait. Now you can see the design has more colors, more personality. Also, you can see the animation on the hover of the icons. Click on preview. It pretty much looks good. You can change the size. If you click on all designs, you can see all the previous designs and preview them. You have the branding name, page name. You can create posts, schedule posts, the analytics for your post, the calendar, upcoming posts, some AI features in there, and the recent activity. For example, click on edit. You have 3 options: global edit, section edit, and manual edit. Click on manual edit for now. And here you can manually change anything. If you want to change a text, just double click on it and use your keyboard to type in any text you want to replace. You can change the place of any icon. Pretty much replace, resize, etc. Click on save changes. If you click on global edit, you get a prompt to change something. You type in a prompt, delete the said section. For example, remove the notification icon next to the profile picture. Click on generate and pay attention. It's going to cost you 6 credits again. And what's cool here is that they stack them together so you can see the previous one and the new one as well. Now, if you click directly on hi-fi and select max mode, it's going to cost 18 credits. You can update your context and click generate. As you can see, it's much longer and a lot of details added. Let's preview it. As you can see, there's more pictures, more details. If you want to move this to your Figma account, as you can see, it's locked under a subscription-based plan. So after you save it, just go to your Figma page, click on File, the plus icon, Plugins, and wait. Search on UX Pilot, click on it, click Run. You're gonna need to log into your UX Pilot account using the same Google account or the login method that you used before. In this case, it's my Google account. They said almost here. So we're logged in. We go back to Figma page, click on Retrieve in Figma, and you will find all your saved layouts in there. Now for the plans, the minimum plan costs $19 monthly for 70 screens. We were able to create only one in our previous try as a free user, and you have 420 credits per month. You have pretty much more features to enhance your experience. Then you have the second plan, which is the Pro plan. For $29 you get 200 screens and 1,200 credits. Then you have the team option. You can select the number of people in your team and you will get up to 266 screens per user and 1,600 credits. That was about it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.